Hello, checking. Here. That should be good. Alright, let's give it another go. Give it another go! Give it another go! Give this another go. I actually don't know what the mic is. I'm using a very cruddy mic too, so. Boop boop. Boop boop. Boop 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 boop. Boop 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 boop. 2020. Also the word for this might not go well. But I mean that's being pessimistic. No time to be pessimistic. Look at that, a screw slasher. A screw slasher. That's what I say. Screw you. The roller's the only one I like. I don't know where he is. I don't want to start seeing where he's at. Oh, come on. I'm trying. I'm trying. I don't know where he's at. I'm trying. Oh, that rain. Oh, okay. I honestly should have just go for the trade, but I didn't, so it's fine. They have specials and stuff like that. Oh, hello. Oh, I'm gonna die.
You died?
Yeah. I'm testing out this recording thing. Oh, he's got the range. No, my friend.
Alright, Walter, some of us real adults have to do the work.
Excuse me? I gotta work at 3:30. Okay? It's not like I don't work today. The rain. I love little chicken dog. Chow lao. Alright, I'm not doing anything. Just explode. Whoa. I kinda wanna know where this 10-6 is coming from. My god, all these chickens! So annoying. Oh my god. There's too many chickens. And we're losing a lot of map control. Can't lose this mid though. Can't lose Midgar. Can't lose Midgar, my friends. There are so many chickens. There are too many chickens. We're losing so much control here. No, they can't really seem to capitalize very well. Wheels. Wheels. Thank you for the shields. There we go. Wow. Brush is somewhere around here. Oh, wow. We're not in good position, my friends. We're maybe gonna lose position right now. So let's not let that happen. Thank you. It's just like too many chickens, and frankly, it's like really annoying. Throw your chicken, dude. You see that? That death was caused by the slashing machine extra range that they got. The range buff that they got. Oh my god. Stop following me. I'm trying to get coverage. Oh, I couldn't trade. Alright team, let's aggressive front. Aggressive. Let's be aggressive. There we go. Woo! Ah. Thank God. Tennis is a snooty sport, apparently. The sport for the uncommon people. I've never actually seen a tennis match. I'm getting called.